Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your brother Real RX, man. We back at it with a nice little juicy vid. We got one of my favorite YouTubers, you know what I'm saying? Duke Dennis the Menace. And really with this vid, he really showing y'all like, as long as you got confidence and you can talk, you can pull any girl, bro. You know what I'm saying? Straight up, you can pull any girl. And he doing it with the flip phone. So like, yeah, you ain't even need the iPhone. Yeah, save your bread, get the flip phone on God, but I ain't gonna talk your head off. Let's get straight to it. Let's get it.
Hey, look, man. Man, stop getting in trouble, man. Ain't no telling what he did. Free my dog, though. You know what I'm saying? See this right here? I need that right there.
You need that.
Give me one of these right here. What they at?
Okay.
God damn, baby boy. Hey, I just seen that video you put in my phone, man. What's up, my boy? I just want to spend some money, man. Hey, I just want to spend some money, man. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of bitches with this phone, with this flip phone right here, man.
Talk your heat.
Huh? Oh yeah, baby girl. Goddamn, dribble and shoot, baby boy. Hey, dribble and shoot, man. How many numbers you think I can get with this flip phone right here? With a flip phone right here, huh? No. But you ain't gonna do nothing, man. You can't get no number with this right here.
Oh, I can't. I think when you put them on out, you might get about a good 10.
But look, I'm gonna secure the number first. I'm gonna, hey, man, you know what I'm saying? You got a boyfriend? Yeah. Let me get your number, type boom, boom. And when they say yeah, I'm up. Oh, what the f is that? What? So I'm gonna pull it out, and then.
Hey, you notice how he said I'm gonna secure the number first. That's what some of y'all be messing up at. You gotta know when it's the right time to seal the deal or to get out the deal. You know what I'm saying? You can tell when you shooting your shot or when y'all just having a conversation if you gonna get the number. If you feeling like the vibe off, cut it off. Don't put yourself in the position to let her turn you down. You know what I'm saying? You could just go after the conversation. If she do turn you down, it's okay to be like, okay, it's cool. Let me move on to the next one. Straight up. Dude, really talking shit.
I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, hey, put your IG in there too. That motherfucker real? Nah, I just bought it for like $30. 30, right? It was 30.
Bad.
Ain't about 30.
How they at low?
Oh yeah, you like that right there?
I was definitely say the same.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the stare down.
My dog got some pretty eyes.
Touchdown.
Dog got some very nice eyes, man. Let me go get some numbers, man. Hey,
Come on.
chat, man.
Wait, are y'all taking a picture?
Nah.
Okay. Can I take a picture?
Oh yeah, you
All
can
up in the video.
type.
Come on. You're not even taking my picture for
Yeah,
real.
he taking your picture.
I swear to God, he not.
Bro, you gotta really pose though, bro.
I am.
Yeah, y'all gotta pose.
She won't do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See how she wasn't
Did
touching
you
right
really
now.
get it? Can I see?
Still going.
It's still recording. You're bullshitting. That's a video. This is real life.
Yeah, this is real life.
I thought
Look at G. He
that
want that money yellow.
How you doing?
Look at my head. That's her head. If we're on YouTube, that could be on Snap.
Oh yeah, yes, ma'am.
Get the camera. Yes. You gotta get in it too. Come on.
I gotta record.
But you can't be in it.
I can be
Yeah, he could be in it, man. This my he could be in it, man.
These boy got
What
game.
y'all doing? What y'all get into?
Oh, we chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, matter of fact, I need your number, man.
You need my number?
Yeah, I need your number, man. You know what I'm saying?
Look at her face.
That's your phone?
You gonna play me like that right there? Hey, baby, you gonna play me like that right there?
That's your phone?
Come on, your number or not, man.
Did he get it?
Put that back up. You don't need
Hold on,
that.
hold on, it's a video. Hold on, don't do
You
it.
don't need that. I'm like, you don't need that. It's
Look
big.
at them, y'all.
No, boy. You judging niggas off their phone, boy, my dog is grabbing that ass. Fuck that, though. You
Look,
judging
he
niggas
over
off
there
their
grabbing
phone,
cheeks.
Yeah, I would have gave you my number still. Like, that's fine.
But niggas,
You have a touchscreen?
nah, I just bought this. I'm just doing it to see if I can, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Yeah.
Let
You
him
probably
know.
ain't gonna get no number.
I'm already knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Maybe.
Yeah, I do need your number for real, though.
You need my number?
Yep. What's your name?
Nicole. NICHOLE.
No, I'm just gonna hit you with
Oh,
my
you
name.
gonna text me with your name?
Yeah.
I can't do that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bet.
Oh.
For sure. Nice to meet you, though.
Nice to meet you.
So look, see, I'm not sure if y'all was paying attention, you ain't gotta say much. You ain't gotta say much when you confident. You know what I'm saying? Now, he on defense. He on defense. A lot of people know Duke. He got a lot of clout and he grinded for it. You feel me? But you still gotta be able to know how to work your words. You know what I'm saying? Oh, dude in the back, I don't even think he even said nothing. He just stared her down. He in there grabbing cheeks. Straight up. No cap. No cap. But look. See how he got the trap phone, right? The flip phone. And she like, oh nah, boy, you goofy, right? Guess what? That's still a conversation starter. Then double back with, oh yeah, this my real shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's a good little laugh. But check this out. He got her phone number, right? Got her name in her phone. He said, I'ma text you my name when I text you. Oh, so he didn't even give out his name. That boy cold. Somebody get that boy some ice, cause that boy cold.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, I'm down though.
All right, bet. Hey, look, man, Duke be working, bro. His story is motivational, man. That boy came from the military, hustling. Now he getting back to his dog. You feel? I fuck with all y'all boys got going on, man.
Appreciate
all
that.
y'all boys. I know a story,
I know you
man.
out here going crazy.
You know, I've been on the TikTok, like, they be like,
I already know who you is.
You know,
I know
you
you're
feeling real quick.
Yeah, man, let's do this, man.
Hey, look what I got in the building, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on now. I would say do right. That boy got the.
Oh yeah, not no more, man. I ain't doing that no more, man. You know
yeah,
what I'm
saying? That boy do out here.
So look, y'all. Oh, dude, right there, yeah, he cold too. He be on the smash and pass videos. That's where, you know what I'm saying, a female come up, smash a pass. You know what I'm saying, just like that. But it's the thing though. When you around when your gang get females and when you around a dude that get females, guess what? You gonna get them too. You feel me? Does that make sense? You hang with rich niggas, 9 out of 10, you gonna get some money. You hang with hustlers, you gonna learn how to hustle. You hang with broke niggas, you gonna be with broke niggas. Players recognize other players. You know what I'm saying? It's in it. It's in you. When you're an athlete, you can recognize when you see another athlete. It's the same way.
Hey, what you got going on,
Florida boy, man? Remember the name.
Man, I need to get your number or something, man. Come here, man.
Hold up.
What'd you say? Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I appreciate it. You look good, too, man. For sure. Man, I need to get your number or something, man. Come here, man. Hey, look. Put your phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you have a flip phone?
Alright, no, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. No.
You can't do it.
Yeah, no, I'm doing.
Not the flip phone.
No, I'm trying though. I'm trying to keep a straight face.
Way.
I'm trying to keep a straight
What are
face.
you trying to do with the flip phone now?
I'm trying to see if I can actually get, you know what I'm saying, female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
you gotta be more serious.
If I start laughing, I can get it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit.
Yeah,
for sure. Next time I'm be straight up, nigga.
You gotta be like serious face.
Yeah. Straight up type
You
shit.
feel me? This is,
Yeah,
Duke, can I
put
get your number type shit? You feel me? And then pull it out.
Yeah, without
Then
laughing.
you start laughing, you be like, man.
Right, what the fuck you laughing
like,
at?
What the fuck you laughing at? You feel me? Give me your number. You either you gonna give it, you're not gonna get it. Be like, I'm gonna find that nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Oh, word? Okay, bet. Say less. All right, bet. You lifting your back toe like.
Listen, she out here telling y'all what you gotta do. Now you ain't gotta have no flip phone, but she letting you, she giving y'all the keys. Confidence. Hey, what's your name? Okay, that's what's up. Let me get your number. Let me get that. If you speaking confidently, and she feel it, like you ain't no simp ass nigga, like you ain't gonna take no for an answer, you gonna get the number. It's that simple. It's off your energy. They ain't got on 30 million chains. He got on one chain in a nice white t-shirt. Like I said on one of my biggest videos, I think that bitch got 5K views on Darius. If you rocking the white tees, it gotta be fitted. It gotta be right. You ain't gotta be Gucci down, designered up. They got on regular clothes, posted up on the strip, and he bagging them. That easy. It's that easy. But you can't be scared to talk.
I know a better posture.
Hey, that boy wildin'.
Hey, boy. If you would have tried to put your ass on me, boy, I would have slapped the fuck out you, boy.
Not testing your limits.
Yeah, I would slap the fuck out you, boy. I get like 30 seconds. Yeah. My bad, bro. What you is?
Hot dog costume, boy. I'm
Yeah, I'm picture with you, my nigga.
Look at him.
Thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture?
Of course.
They flocking like birds.
No, you can.
Okay. Yeah. What's up? Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture too?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Dude got the clout.
Tell her to come here.
Amaya?
Yeah.
Amaya.
Point out. Where she at?
Huh?
Sorry.
What happened?
What's your name?
Maya.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you.
You too.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, shit.
No. Get out of here, boy.
Wait, was Kai here yesterday?
Yeah, but he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh-wee.
Where's that fan behavior?
Hold up. Before I let y'all see that. You see how Duke do that shit? It's simple. Now look, he got clout. That's why I said if you a man, if you a young nigga, really, hell, if you 35 and below and you single, you should be on the internet. You should be on it. No cap. You should be on it. Now you ain't gotta be lit, you ain't gotta be going viral and shit. But you should be on the internet. That way people can look at your shit and be like, okay, this is what I'm getting. Cause times have changed. Now Duke, he got the juice. So they approaching him. It's a whole different ball game when the female's approaching you. You know what I'm saying? He on defense. When you on offense, your wordplay gotta be right. He on defense. So they just choosing, they picking him, you know what I'm saying? Straight up. But you still gotta have that swag.
Of course not.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good or whatever. What's your name?
My name Duke. What's yours?
Desi.
Desi.
Chicago.
Oh shit, some Chicago niggas just walked out, man.
They was finna get down on your ass.
Nah, they was cool ass niggas, bro.
Was they?
Yeah.
You gonna take a picture with me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no, wait. The bundles, you feel me? Forget a second. They all poofy. I was looking for you yesterday.
Oh, you were looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know, right? How long you out here for?
About 10 minutes, man.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
Oh, man. What you say your name was?
Desi, nigga. Desi. Say that shit
you got
twice.
Desi, you got a boyfriend?
No.
I got your number?
Do you have a...
What?
Look.
Do you have a girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you
You
on the
feel
strip.
me? Yeah.
I'm in public talking to you.
I feel you now. I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm finna get that then.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta though.
Oh,
Look, she
goddamn.
touching on her hair.
They say shit like that, don't they?
Look at her.
What you trying to say? I'm like country or something?
Yeah,
Type shit.
very much so.
Okay. Yeah, man. Put your
pull that motherfucker.
Put your number line.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on?
What you a drug dealer or something?
Bro, y'all was trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to say?
Look.
Yeah, man.
Goofy ass.
Hey,
Telefono? What that say?
Nah, give me the real shit. Fuck you talking about?
Not the flip, not the trap phone.
Yeah, give me the
Duke
real
cold.
shit.
I was just fucking around with you, see what you was on. That's it, bro.
I don't get no fuck if you got a little flip.
Not the scamming line.
I was just seeing what you was on. God damn,
Duke
that's
cold.
it,
I
man.
know you ain't gonna text me. It's cool. Oh shit, I try to say my name, but I text you to my name though.
That's cool. I know who it is.
It's Desi. Say that shit twice.
I see you. You typed that shit twice. So just, you know what I'm saying?
We was looking for you.
Look, they can't help it. Say, man. Duke is that dog. Now look, like I said, he playing defense. It's different. It's different when you're on offense. You know what I'm saying? They already kind of know who Duke is, and they feeling him. Some of them didn't. You know what I'm saying? But Duke lit. So when you lit, it's gonna be you to pick and choose who you want. You know what I'm saying? But I'm telling you, look how he talking to him. Look at his posture. He ain't folding up. What's your name? My name Duke. What's your name? You got a boyfriend? Oh no, give me your number. Give me that. Ain't no fishing pole, bitch. That nigga grabbing the motherfucking fish out the motherfucking bucket. Give me, I need that. That's how you should be. That's how you should be. You gotta practice. You should be outside talking to people and get comfortable. She gonna feel you. I'm trying to tell you, she gonna feel you when you're a real ass nigga. It don't matter if you design it down. No matter if you drop a motherfucking Honda. If you a real ass nigga and you solid, she gonna feel that. I'm trying to tell you, they flocking like birds. Dude got breadcrumbs, he just throwing them out, and they just flocking.
We was looking for you. Oh, y'all really? For the matter of fact, yeah. What's up?
What's
Yeah,
up?
can I get a picture?
What y'all was looking for me for?
Why else?
Oh shit. I like that.
She on you. She on you.
What's up, man? You got more?
Look at him.
No, you better go.
Okay, nope.
Look at him.
Put your number in this right
Eye
here.
contact. Look, she wanted to take the phone out of his hand.
Where's my
Where's the actual phone?
Where's Phantom at?
I
He
need
can't
that.
even fly. He can't even cap.
Where's Phantom at?
Yes, sir, man.
Where's Phantom at?
Hey, look,
Tell him to holler at me.
Hey, look, don't even worry, man.
I
Don't
want
even.
Chris. Fuck that.
Hey, look,
I want
man.
Chris.
Where y'all from?
New York.
Damn.
So you already know the vibe.
Yes, sir. Hey, look, New York motherfuckers is some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome to the crib, man. All y'all shit, especially you.
Especially her. Yeah.
But yeah, nah.
Try for the homegirl on.
Fuck, man. I just
Yeah, I
like
know.
fuck around with you.
No, for real though. Where's my man?
No, like, where's Chris?
Hey,
Tell Phantom I love him.
Hey, Phantom. Man, she love you, bro. She really love you, bro. She came out here and found me for you.
Yo, it's crazy. We was
So I smoked a little hookies with you.
What's up?
Well, I'm Dominican too.
I was watching your visit online.
Now look, a lot just went down right there. Like I said, when you got a social presence, it's easy. You feel me? When you somewhat lit, people know you. People know what you bring to the table. So, you know what I'm saying? They gonna pick and choose. But check this out. You see how old girl wanted Duke. She damn near wanted to take the phone out of his hand and give him the number. He ain't really had to ask. Hell, she was gonna just give it. But check this out. When you around a motherfucker who pull bitches, guess what? He ain't gonna want every bitch that come to him. And then a lot of times females, they might not want the main nigga. They might want his partner. Think about that. That's how that shit work. Duke passing them to his homies. Oh yeah, where Chris at? Where Chris? Yeah, my homegirl like you. Yeah, my homegirl like you, but where Chris at? Think about it. Look at your circle. How many? Look at your dude. The people you hang around with, dudes. Are they single? Are they married? Are they divorced? Are they toxic? Are they unhappy? And how they feeling is how you gonna be feeling. Straight up. Think about it. They in the crib. Let's get this.
Bitches like literally chasing after bitches. You see me? I'm not going up to no bitches, bro. I'm not saying that it's anything wrong with going up to hoes, but I just can't find myself to just like chase after them, bro. And if they ain't coming up to me, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I don't give a fuck. Hey.
Damn.
Yeah, hold on. What's up, man? My name Duke. What's yours? Where you from?
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where,
No, it's North Florida, South Georgia.
It's far?
Yeah, it's like 7 hours from here.
Where?
Yeah.
You ain't no boyfriend or nothing, right?
Huh?
You ain't no boyfriend or nothing, do you?
Nah, you got a girlfriend?
I'm chilling, man. You know
Talk
what I'm
somebody
saying? I wouldn't be on the strip, you know what I'm saying, talking to motherfuckers type shit. Yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone type shit. Alright, chill.
That
Okay.
trap
I
phone.
didn't say nothing. I just did a little look back.
Yeah, you just made a little face, and you know what I'm saying, type shit. I didn't want
Can you get it?
you know what I'm saying, nah, but when you leaving from down here?
Probably tomorrow. I've been here since Friday. When you got here?
You been here since Friday? Nah, I just got here yesterday.
Oh my God.
Yup. I'm about to see you before you leave then.
Yeah, we gotta leave.
Don't. I need a good picture, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Bag that. Bag
We doing
it.
the live chat. Hey, what a black.
Say, like I said, keep that shit short and simple. You ain't gotta say too much. Some of y'all talking too much. Where you from? What's your name? Let me get your number. Straight and to the point. That's all you gotta say. He ain't saying too much. Now yes. They picking and choosing. And see how he said he not chasing them? When you don't chase, you attract. But when he sees something he like, he'll speak. It's a difference between chasing someone, going out of your way, and having a casual conversation. Hey, what's up? Come here. I want to talk to you. What girl don't want to be talked to? Think about it. They like attention. So if you a nice looking, built up dude, and you on your shit, you gon' bag. No cap.
I want a picture too. Take me a picture.
Exactly, man.
Look at them.
Oh my God.
Leeches. They boy that can't stay off. Dude,
Here
go.
around them motherfuckers.
I'm gonna take my pic. How long y'all gonna be out here?
Shit till like Monday, Tuesday type shit.
What y'all doing tonight? for old boy, but I want a fucking selfie. I don't want no.
Hey, and they looking for his
video. I
home.
want to see the grills in your mouth, honey.
Your man's full of bitches, you gonna get bitches too.
But they be like, y'all know who it is. Y'all stop playing with him. So what y'all doing? Why you asking?
My homeboy throwing a party and shit, but what y'all got playing?
So we trying. We yeah. We know what we want to do.
Oh yeah? I need to get your number or something, man.
Where y'all from?
You said what?
Where y'all from?
On my phone. It's right here, man.
Smiling.
Yeah. No, what's your number?
Ah, look.
I'll put my number in your phone.
You lying.
Look.
Hold on.
Put your phone there.
I'm not lying at all. I'm not lying at all.
But what? Thank you.
I was just fucking with you with the. I didn't want to see what you was saying.
Say, you know you cold. You know you cold when the bitches know you playing. See, girls like to play games. And they recognize when a dude playing games. Like, he can't even fake this shit. They like, that's not your phone, nigga. Give me your, matter of fact, give me your motherfucking number. Give me your phone, put my number in your phone. They know it. That's confident. Look at him. He's smirking. He can't help but smile because he already know his game is top tier. In order to get your game like Duke, you have to go out to the world and talk to people. You're not getting out enough. I don't care if you're talking to older women, younger women, males. It don't matter. The more you talk to people, the easier it gets. Think about it. Eventually, it's okay to be shy, but you gotta break out your shell. Break out of it, man. This shit's scary at first, but you gotta practice. Talk. And once you get comfortable, this is the outcome. This dude is bagging them. And these baddies. What y'all doing tonight? They trying to come to his crib. When the last time a female walked up to you and be like, what you doing tonight? I'm trying to come over. Shh. You gotta give off that energy.
Y'all be playing. I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh yeah. Damn, bro, ain't nobody going for that, bro. Ain't nobody going for the flip phone, man.
Yeah.
Ain't gonna be one person that do that.
I get a bitch that. What's the vlog?
Nobody.
I already know
for that.
there's guys outside, no lie, bro.
You been out here, man?
We just came out today.
Word.
Man, that's neat to see. Look, y'all. Real talk. Don't make don't make this shit harder than what it gotta be. You know what I'm saying? It's not no script. You ain't gotta have a whole script written in your head. Just have a casual conversation. And talk to her. How you doing? Okay. What's your name? Okay, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm Derek. Yeah. Let me get your number. Okay, yeah, appreciate it, thank you. And if not, it's okay. It's cool. I'm gonna get another one. It's simple. It's really simple. But you gotta take the steps to get to there. And that's going outside and talking to people. Just make a little note. Say I'm gonna talk to one person a day. One person. One person a day. If you do that consistently, let's say you do that for 30 days straight, a month, you can talk to 30 people. 30 different personalities. 30 different people. You don't think you're gonna get better? Say, man. It's your boy, The Real RX, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, you know what I'm saying? Because this that sauce. No cap. Hey, y'all stay safe out there. Stay on your purpose. Go on, man.